Hi, Mark Diaz here for 2danimation101.com. Just sharing you my progress on the rigging course that we're preparing. And for this, we're testing the rig of an anime character. So this is something I draw, something you can learn if you take the Rogue Mangaka Stage 3. This is actually the basic face. And then all I did was add some clothes and everything, and I drew this in the different angles that I'm gonna rig in Cartoon Animator 4. And these are the different expressions. As you can see, I added different mouths for the lip sync. And look, this is how it works once you import it into Cartoon Animator 4. Let's start with the eyebrows. I can have the character with the eyebrows on normal or sad. She can be a little bit sad. Or she can be a little bit upset. Or really determined or angry. Right? Very easy to change using the sprite editor. Now let me return to normal. And I can also change the different type of eyes. Look, I can have her look up, or look down, or look to the left, or look to the right. Also, I can have her blink using the smile closed. This is the typical anime happiness, right? And also a normal blink. Then being in shock or really angry. For this, I would also have to change the mouth to this, hey, and the eyebrows. Now she's really angry. Or if she got a little bit angry, jealous, we could add this shyness and remove the nose, for example, like this. So it's a little bit more comical, right? So it's super cool. Also, we can change the eyes to be scared, like this. Then she's a little bit worried, like, what? She can be a little bit nervous. Now let me show you the mouth. The mouth, this is something that I have been asked from a lot of students, like, how do you make your characters when they speak? How do you make them have different mouths so the chin also opens? You're gonna see that the drawings I made, also for each drawing of the mouth, I included the jaw. Can you see? That is because I want her to open her jaw like this, like in anime. Blah, 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 blah. And she could be upset like this. But I don't agree with everything you're saying. Or she could be angry. You shouldn't be doing that. Right? So there you go. Now what I'm gonna be doing is invest a lot of time also to draw all the different eyes and all the different mouths for the other angles, and then rig the 360 face and do a little animation. I hired a Japanese actress to do this, so it's really anime. Okay, so stay tuned. I'm gonna create another test just like I did for the Hanna-Barbera character. It's gonna be the same, but with an anime character. Okay, see you later in the next rig test.